Alright, it's a fucking crazy day. Day like 40 of stolen GoPro. I'm trying to find some jack stands to do this clutch on this car. I found jack stands back down here. And then I was like, but that looks fucking familiar, doesn't it? Down here. Okay. I was actually like looking at some bottles. Like, so this is like a juice bottle. Anyway, I just found the fucking GoPro. It didn't get stolen. So now there's all footage on here. We'll make a fucking video out of it. Alright, finally, Frankenline R33 is starting to get some work done on it. I primed it. I don't think I filmed it. I might have stuck or some shit. Primed the roof twice. It keeps rusting because primer apparently is porous and like it's not a finished product. So like if you prime something and think it's just gonna sit there and be all J, apparently it's not. Like something you learn every day. Like the rain actually eats through primer. Like it's porous. So like primer's porous. Anyway, so even with the epoxy 2K primer, it's still just been getting eaten through by the sun and like the elements. That's what clear coats kind of for like the UV protection. So Frankenline's not going too well. I don't know, not going the worst. Better than when I got her, all painted blue and shit. But I've done the boot. I didn't film it. Standard. Painted the boot black. From a distance, I can see weird marks and shit in it, but it's fucking annoying as. But yeah, it's also more. I'm still learning, so like I can see marks in it. I know I should go get 2000 grit sandpaper and just like sand it more, but I have to go to the fucking doctors in half an hour, so I got enough time to quickly smack a clear coat on, and then race to the doctors, and I'll probably get the 2000 grit after. Just fucking have it around for the next thing I paint. So anyway, when yesterday I get clear coat, it was fucking $580 for clear coat and reducer. Yeah, so that kind of set me back pretty hectic. I was going to buy a new turbo for the 31 and put it on, but I bought paint for the 33 to kind of stop it from rusting, and like, what do you know? It cost fucking $580 to get some clear coat and reducer. Anyway, that's dearer than all the paint and the primer and the sand. Don't get me started. So anyway, I've like moved some of my shit. We moved the workshops over and done with. So I'm gonna try and keep these videos in line. If not, spoiler alert, but they should be in order. The VY Ute is going. Me and Milesy got it fixed. Or like we fixed it, and then with the whole new rebuild motor and that. Then the new clutch is in the XR6 Ute, which if you've seen that, I don't know if you've even seen that episode yet, but there's XR6 Ute with a new clutch in it that's not rattling anymore, and I'm about to lose my license. Alright, so here's the clear coat Bud's Luck 5420 and 4440 2K clear. Yeah, so we're gonna mix this up 2-to-1, I believe. 100% 4440 and a 5420, a 50%. Alright, so as you can see, it says stuff there. 30 minutes dry time at 60 degrees. Ah, shit. I don't know actually have 60 degrees. And I swear we never baked it in the booth at 60 degrees either. You have to find out about that. I swear you don't have to bake it at 60 degrees. That seems a bit excessive. I'll probably look into it. Still gonna spray it right now anyway. So I'll mix this up. And this goes a long way, so I don't know, we'll try fucking mix up 150 mils. See how that goes. Got the clear all mixed up. Hope it fucking works. About the bake. In 17 degrees winter of Wollongong. Alright, so I got a test. I've scratched it with my fingernail right there. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but it's scratched. And yeah, there's light scratches from the cloth, so we'll see if all this goes away with the clear, if it fills it. Seems alright. Let's see how much is left in the gun, see how good we are with our measurements. Ah shit, look at that. It's like fucking 20-30 mil in the gun. It's a waste of $2 or $3. Shit. In today's special episode, I am going to clear cake a bottle of oil and see what happens. I'm gonna cake it on. So down here with Frank's guards, trying to get some work done on it. The sun's come back yet, the Nazi winter's ceased. Can resume work on the Franky. So this blue paint shall be removed very shortly. I might have got 120, alright, so got some assorted sandpapers. Gonna try to get it off by hand, see how long it takes. So I got this other bit up here, I got to sand / get rid of the paint. So I got another method that's hectic. Once I've sanded it a little bit or enough, get the fucking paint thinners or reducer, and then it just wipes off. But it doesn't really work when it's a fucking full layer, unfortunately. It does slowly, but yeah, I just kind of sand it so it's all breaking. Not much left. And then the rest just wipes off.
sanded it, broke the surface area. So not just trying to get through fucking layers of it. I'm a reducer. So I got the guard all rubbed up like your fucking missus when you're not home at work. So some real hard bits to get to. So I puddled up the fucking dinners in there. Let it sit, boy. Then she just wipe away. So we've done one guard, it's dusted. Just gotta fucking knock off the other one. Probably clean out the underside of it while it's off before I start painting it, so there's no shit going everywhere. Blow it off with the compressor. Just straight wiped away by letting it puddle up there. Alright, it's literally been like 2 hours plus. Yeah, about 2.5 hours. Probably 2 hours. Got both the guards. Nice. And crispy. Still wait for another good day to paint them. Get the primer on. Then have to sand them again. Then I can paint them and then clear coat them. Hopefully it looks a bit better soon, eh? Got the old Gardaroonies sanded, well sanded. Gonna paint the dogs with some primer and sand them again. Always sanding around here. All ready to go, eh? Some left hand painting. Alright, my gun's fucking clogged up. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I cleaned this up. Happened last time I sprayed this shit. It just clogged up straight away, so I don't know what the fuck's going on. I've used this reducer, so I've put heaps more reducer in, but now I gotta go unclog my gun quickly. Tip the paint out. It's fucking nightmare shit. Bro, this thing is like full clogged with bits. Chunks fucking of the count. Hard as fuck. It's like crumbly rock dust in there. I wonder if I had to poke a hole through this shit. Anyway, my paint's down the back fucking setting. It's fucking annoying as. And now I just put heaps of thinners in it, but maybe that's good. We'll keep it wet. Yeah, no wonder my gun wasn't spraying, bruh. So it had nothing to do with the thinners this time anyway. Some of the last time, bit of clogged up. I'm gonna have to really keep an eye on this fucking primer. The epoxy primer. I've really thinned the fuck out of this, though. It's alright, but because it gave me the 15 minutes to spare to clean out the gun. Put the camera down, I can adjust the settings. Maybe get it to come out a bit thicker. So I backed off the main shaft in it so it can come back a bit more, so it lets more paint out, because I took it out to fucking clean it out, so I over tightened it. That's why I was spraying like see-through mist. I'm sure you can imagine what Frankenline is gonna start looking like soon. I think it's almost been, I think it has been a year now, a whole year. Frankenliner. Not much has, I mean, if you remember what it used to look like, it was full blue. And like, now it's got some dinged up fucking guards on it. You can't really see how bad the guard is from heaps far away. Anyway, getting summer back, the Nazi winter's leaving. So, hopefully we can get it fucking finished soon. For the next couple months, have it done. Just waiting on the weather.